Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Linda. Today I decided to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. I'm thinking that this could be a glorious shit show for you all, so let's see what it brings up. Basically what this is I'm going to do a full face of makeup in 5 minutes. It is going to be timed. I do have somebody helping me. Why don't you come in, say hi? You have to, you have to. This is my husband, Tim. That was it, that's all you're gonna say. Stuff. But anyway, he's gonna be doing the timing for me. He's gonna count it down. Now, I could do a safe Linda eye, which is that, you know, kind of warm, bronzy, orange, you know, goodness that I usually try to slap on my face. But no, I decided to make this just next to freaking impossible. I'm mainly gonna be using the Cold Chemistry palette from Sugar Pill. These are all cool colors, because I never do cool colors, so why not do them during a 5-minute makeup challenge? Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up if you like challenge videos and subscribe if you haven't already. And just as a note, even if you think you're subscribed, check to make sure you actually are subscribed because YouTube has been funky lately and unsubscribing people from channels I've been hearing. So just do me a solid and double check that, you know, you've hit that red button and you're part of the Rockstar fam. Okay, are you ready? Mm-hmm. Just give me a second. Okay. Wait, okay, I'm just gonna get one product in front of me. I do have all of my products set up in front of me, so I'm not sure if that's cheating. Don't care. This is gonna be rough. I'm putting my mirror up. Wait, oh God. Okay, hands up. Tell me when.
5 minutes.
Okay, it started? Oh my God, okay. Oh, it usually takes me 5 minutes just to do my eyebrows. Oh, this is pretty. I've got 90 sperm brows. Oh no, oh my God. No self-respecting person can be expected to do eyebrow. Okay, gotta move on. Eyeshadow. Okay, purple. Oh, that was... It hasn't even been a minute yet? Oh, I've got fallout everywhere.
4 minutes.
Shit. Why did I pick purple, Tim? Oh, I look like Mimi.
It's a 5-minute challenge.
Shh. Shh. Panic sets in. Oh my gosh. No, the purple's gone. Okay, going in with the white. White in the center of the lid. Nice little pop, right? Little halo. Black, soot and stars.
3 minutes.
Why do you have to scream it? Much blend. So transition. Oh, I don't have my brush here for highlight. Okay. Oh, who pretty? I'm pretty. Do you still love me? Tim? Answer me. Oh, he's not answering me. Oh my God. Do I do liquid eyeliner? How much time? Tim?
A little over 2 minutes.
Okay, little over 2 minutes, that's it? I haven't even done my face. Okay, I'm not doing a wing. I'm just doing a little...
2 minutes.
That's only, what, 120 seconds? Okay, where's my foundation? I'm just doing tinted moisturizer with my hands. Oh, I messed up my eye makeup. Oh, nobody got time for that. Oh, my base looks good, girl. There's hair on this. Oh, this looks so bad. Okay, contour.
1 minute.
Okay.
45 seconds.
Okay, I'm cool. Oh, that's a lot of highlight on my lip. Okay. I got eyeliner on my neck.
30 seconds.
Who needs to keep its bow anyway? Oh my God, that's so uneven. Okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Thank you. Let's zoom in on this, shall we? I mean, I guess it's not as bad as I thought it would be, but like I mean, the eyebrows are, yeah, that's good. Let's just take a minute. Look at these eyebrows. Those are jacked up. Highlight on the nose is a little massive. That is not the kind of highlight that you want on the tip of your nose to make it look cute and button-like. This is how you make it look like a gin blossom. Pretty sure the best / worst part is this nose highlight, but other than that, I mean, I guess if you have 5 minutes, just don't do a damn purple smoky eye. Do a neutral, babe. Try it out. I guess that's it, you guys. Are you all hitting that unsubscribe button right about now? Are you all like, this chick talks about makeup and she can't even like do her face? You know what? Take your judgment and put it in your judgment purse and go to judgment school. Boom. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and be a part of the Rockstar fam. You guys can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Those are all at GlitterFallout. I love you with my whole heart and my brain and my soul, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!